Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching our special show Metaverse Magic. Metaverse tokens are leading the crypto market with stunning price rallies, with the Sandbox SAND rising over 90%, Decentraland's MANA rising over 55%, and Axie Infinity's AXS rising by over 30% in the past 7 days. Now, the cumulative market cap of all Metaverse tokens currently stands at a whopping $13.7 billion. Well, the dominance of Bitcoin is undeniable, but all coins have their own charm. So this dramatic rally has sparked a frenzy, and other major tokens such as Floki, Illuvium and Gala are not far behind. So let's take a closer look at the numbers. First up is Sandbox's SAND. SAND's daily transaction count skyrocketed to 11,597, marking its highest level in a week. And on-chain data reveals a surge in exchange withdrawals, signaling growing confidence among long-term investors. Well, as per market analysts, with a breakout from its previous downtrend, SAND is eyeing its next target of $1.40, hinting at a potential 75 to 80% rally ahead. Now, talking about Decentraland's MANA token, MANA has gained over 55% this week and is currently trading around $0.70. So with its market cap exceeding $1.3 billion, breaking past the $0.70 resistance could pave the way for another 100% rally to $1.30. Simultaneously, Axie Infinity's AXS has surged 30% this week, now trading at around $8.13 with a daily trading volume exceeding $1.02 billion. So the token has bounced back strongly after forming a double bottom pattern with subsequent targets set at $28, $45 and $69. So now the resurgence of these tokens highlights the bullish momentum in the GameFi and Metaverse sectors, driven by increasing investor confidence and high-end network activity. But what does this mean for the future of Metaverse and blockchain gaming? Let's go to our special guest, Mr. Amarjot Malhotra from Tezos, who will share valuable insights into this market frenzy.
See, if you remember the last time blockchain gaming actually picked up a lot, we had a lot of games and we have gone through probably 2 to 3 cycles of Web3 gaming, as we say it. So Metaverse was actually a very hot topic last bull run. There were a lot of Metaverses out there, but there were very few users at that time. Probably we will get more adoption. So I think the current GameFi trends that I see is that there's a lot of institutional investment happening in GameFi. And then we are also getting higher quality games which are coming on chain. And the play to earn model that we used to have is kind of evolved into play and earn. So it's not just that you will come and you will earn and you will go away, and it's the whole curve has changed. And then most importantly, the reason why a lot of Web3 games did not work was bad user experience. And I see that a lot of studios are investing in good user experience. And if I come to Metaverse, then I think we see a lot of token resurgence as well, which is again because it's an exciting area to work in. Like Metaverse, everyone is very intrigued by it, like how a Metaverse will do. And then we have also infrastructure coming up, which can help you in terms of visualize that Metaverse. So, there is a growing virtual economy infrastructure. There is an evolution of the blockchain technology as well, because metaverses are very highly intensive in terms of functioning. So they want high performing blockchains as well. And then you want liquidity also. For example, how will a metaverse make money? You'll probably sell advertisements or places where you can put some areas and you can just commercialize that, or maybe you can tokenize metaverses. But that all comes in when there are more and more users coming in to that metaverse. So we will see a lot of users coming in this bull run again, and that's the cycle of the whole growth of any asset of adoption in a way. Like the adoption circle works like this only. Like every cycle you will have more and more users coming in, and then it's saturated, it goes down, the whole interest fizzles out, and people innovate at that time, and then the next bull run come in, and then the innovation gets recognition, and then people kind of give feedback to it that, So for example, in the last run, we got a lot of feedback that there's not much use in NFTs, there's not much use in metaverses. There were only few hundreds of people only entering the metaverse for a while. So, but probably we're going to see thousands this time, maybe more than that. It's possible. So that's how I see that the metaverse and GameFi sector evolving in the coming months and years.
Thank you, Mr. Malhotra, for sharing your insights. Well, that's all in this week's episode of Metaverse Magic. I will be back with more such updates from the Metaverse space. Till then, keep watching 3.2 TV and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.